What's going on YouTube? Mr. Reshoevn8r here. It is Air Max month here at Reshoevn8r, so we are doing an Air Max 90 cleaning, triple white. Super excited. This is one of the first Air Maxes I ever owned, so I'm going back to the 90s in my mind, which is a little bit crazy, but we are gonna clean these up. It is a triple white. We are also doing a giveaway. All you have to do is comment below your favorite white sneaker of all time and drop your Instagram handle, and we will choose a winner in 72 hours. That winner will get our Air Max bundle, which is our signature kit, our dry suede kit for different materials. We have a repellent, and we have our new drying rack. So you can win that by entering below. Don't forget, drop your favorite white sneaker of all time, okay? Now, let's just get into this cleaning. All right guys, what we're gonna do is start this cleaning. For those of you that wear all white shoes, you know how hard it can be to keep them clean, but don't worry, Reshoevn8r has you covered. Don't be afraid to wear your shoes. We'll make sure that we have the products for you that will keep them looking perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the left shoe today. Let's get that one out of the way. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do in this process is go ahead and take the laces out. Try not to cough on all the dust that's flying out of these things. Again, this brings back memories of the 90s when these came out. And it was such a hype sneaker back then. It's still a very classic, popular sneaker today. So those of you that were old enough in the 90s to experience it, you know what I'm talking about. For you young bucks, it's not the same. All right, so we're gonna set these right there for now. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this dust off of this shoe, so I don't make a big muddy puddle. All right, now that I got some of the dust off and I'm breathing that, first thing we're gonna do, take some of our solution. We're gonna squirt some into our bowl. Take our soft bristle brush here and dip it in the solution. The inside liner is super dirty too, so we may need to put these in the washing machine, but we'll find out here shortly. Leather shoes typically are pretty easy to clean. The challenge comes with the stitching and the white stitching. Sometimes that can be stained, and the washing machine is sometimes needed to make that super clean and white again. So we are creating somewhat of a mess, but as you can see, that's just the first pass. The stitching is dirty in here, so we'll have to see how that comes out after using all the brushes and stuff. We may put these in the washing machine to get this mesh material on the sock liner and the stitching completely clean, but let's keep it going. We got some darker stains here. Let's keep it moving. You want to make sure that you lift the tongue out completely. That way you can get the edges and the sides and all the cracks and crevices. Now that we have a nice little mess, I'm going to go ahead and clean the shoe off. Don't forget, we are doing a giveaway for an Air Max bundle. Comment below your favorite white sneaker of all time and drop your Instagram handle, and we will be choosing one winner within 72 hours of this video dropping. So if you don't have Reshoevn8r products, make sure you do that. I'm curious to see what the winners will be. My guess is Air Force One, but we'll find out. Okay, so as you can see here, we do have, quite a bit of scuffing on this midsole. On the heel tab, we got some dirt that isn't coming out. And then this tongue still looks terrible. Dingy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move on to the medium bristle brush, which is here. Has a little bit stiffer bristles, so it'll basically break up that dirt just a little bit better. And that's why we do offer 3 brushes, because different materials require different proper cleaning, and some are just more effective on other materials than others. And I'll show you what I mean. As you can see, I hit the tongue with the soft bristle brush, and this is as clean as it got. Well, I used the medium bristle for this side, and it's much, much wider and cleaner and bright. So we'll just continue with this brush and see how the shoe turns out. I've gone over the shoe with the medium bristle brush. We're gonna go ahead and pat it down, see how it looks. And I can tell already we are gonna use the washing machine and laundry system for this shoe, only because this inside liner just still looks super dingy to me. The tongue doesn't look that great. So I think the only way to bring these back to its full potential and glory is to put them in the washing machine and let our laundry system kind of take it to the next level. But let me go ahead and hit this sole. What I'm gonna do now is we do have some scuffing on this midsole. I'm gonna use a trick where I take the tip of my finger and the towel, I dip it in solution, and then I'm basically gonna buff out this, hopefully. Okay, well, unfortunately, we do have scuffing on the midsole on both sides. That's just not gonna come out. I think the paint has been worn off. So much for that. But I think this shoe is pretty close. I do see some heavy staining in here. I don't know if you can see that from above, but you see down in the crevices of this tongue. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit that a little bit better and then clean the laces. We're gonna put it in the laundry bag and then put it in the washing machine and then let that run through the cycle, and then we'll show you guys the result. Hey, if you guys have not checked out our executive club, make sure you go check out our executive kit and our executive club. You can start your own shoe cleaning business right now with our help. Check it out online at Reshoevn8r.com. Let me finish this up, throw them in the washing machine, and we'll be back. All right, guys, so as you can see, they look much, much better. I am happy with how they look overall, but I know that using our laundry system, they will look even better. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and dip the laces into our cleaning solution here, let them soak for a second. I'm gonna go ahead and put this shoe tree back in to maintain the form while it's in the washing machine. Like so. I'm gonna take a sneaker laundry bag here, throw that bad boy in there, and then take these laces. These things are disgusting. We're gonna go ahead and take that, throw the laces in the pocket, and then I will also be putting one laundry pod into this pocket too, so it really coats these laces good. Putting these in the washing machine, and then we'll let them go and we'll come right back. Oh, before I go, one reason to use the mat, still got a clean table. We're back, we finished the cleaning. Looks sweet. We actually did do a second cleaning on these because I wasn't quite happy with the first, but they're looking great now. We'll show you some sweet B-roll. Don't forget to enter the Air Max bundle giveaway for Air Max month. Go ahead and drop your favorite all-white sneaker in the comment section below and your Instagram handle. We'll choose a winner within 72 hours. Peace.